You better like this video. You better like this video.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to vlog anymore, guys. Welcome, SB Squad. It's been a hot minute since I picked up the camera. We've picked up the camera. I mean, I'm the only one who picks up the camera, so yeah, I guess this trip was like a reason to do it. We are going on another road trip. I think the reason why I don't want to edit the other one is because when I vlog on my phone, it's so tedious. Like, I don't know, I just don't like editing videos that I filmed on my phone for some reason. So back to the camera. I got mommy here. I got my sister here. I got my sister here with me, and we bought a puppy. We bought a dog. He's in the back in his carrier. Once we stop, we'll show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you definitely know that we did buy a dog, because I post him all the time. He's even got his own Instagram because I think people are getting sick of me and my dog spam, so I made him his own gram. And Aussie's driving, Dad's at the front. And yeah, guys. Oh, it's his nose. I was trying to look for him. We're here at Lone Star in Campbelltown, and we are staying at Quest. By the time I upload this, it's probably going to be like 2 weeks. Thank you. It smells really chilly.
Here at Lone Star here in Campbelltown. So we're gonna enjoy our ribs. I fall in love with the ribs for so long, and now I'm here now. So
show them the.
We got a buffalo wings, spicy one, and we wait for our ribs. I got a beef ribs.
Look at these two lovebirds. Look at these two. Guys, we didn't even get to show you guys Bear. We stopped at the petrol station once. Oh my gosh, look, my face is so chubby. Don't worry, guys. I don't want to talk about it. But we stopped at the petrol station. He didn't pee, so we stopped for nothing. He's such a good dog, guys. I want to show you this photo. Like, not even 10 minutes into our trip, and he was already asleep. My little baby. So we set up a camera at home. Oh my gosh, guys, guys, it's been really tough, really stressful. Oh my gosh, I didn't tell you guys. So the last vlog that I did, I said that I had some good news. My good news was that I got a promotion. It is only temporary, but a promotion nonetheless, honey. And I'm currently. But yeah, I've just been really stressed, really busy with work. And also my baby is sleeping now. And his name's Bear. He's like the perfect dog. English Bulldog. And he's just so adorable. He's full of personality. Let me have one of these wings. But yeah, guys, we are here in Sydney for my cousin's wedding. Oh yeah, baby. These guys are talking politics again. This is my sister. Hey sis. Mom, take your glasses off for a second. Oh wow, hi sissy. Aussie, do the prayer. This is my food. I got the southern fried chicken burger. I love southern fried burgers. Aussie and Dad got the ribs. Nice. Mum got the seafood salad. Oh yeah, baby. The aftermath, guys. Mum finished her salad. I pretty much finished my food as well. Good morning, guys. So sorry, didn't pick up the camera again last night because we're kind of tired. just chilled out, watched the league, and I watched Forrest Gump. I got halfway through, not even halfway through, and I fell asleep. Just turned off the TV. Aussie was conked out because he had just finished work and then had to drive all the way here, 3 hours, 2.5 hours. Look at my wee-wee. Hi, my little wee-wee. Hi, my little wee-wee.
It's getting so big now.
Yeah. He's gotten so much bigger. I can't wait to show you all the tricks and, you know, commands that I've taught him. He's such a good dog, even though he bites a little, but he's a puppy, you know what I mean? There's exception for that, but we definitely got to get that under control, because the last thing that you want is your dog on a euthanized table. So training is very important. We just like barricade him in. Yeah, we could have gotten him a dog sitter, but yeah, I mean, I didn't want to burden anyone with him, because especially since we're here for 2 days. So 1 more day with him, my baby. Let's go say hi to mum and dad. Oh, this table's a big mess. We've got to put mummy and daddy here. It's funny, we had planned to go to Lone Star. We had no idea like where it was. So we checked into our hotel. I was like, okay, let's go to Lone Star. And it was like literally right there, you can see it. That's mum and dad's room over there. We got like an interconnecting room. There's my little Beps. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. An orange fly. Look at that. Okay guys, we're here now. About to go in. Our shopping. And I was just talking to her niece. A bit worried, huh? Oh yeah. Sorry. Yeah, these two. These were the only ones I brought, so I better wear them. Oh my gosh, can my mum not? Come. Oh, yeah, it just fell. Finally ready. I ended up buying a new dress. I was gonna wear one of my old ones. This is mum. She's looking nice. Go turn around, mummy. What in the world? This is so beautiful. What? They're really gonna make me walk up steps. Hey guys. Okay. Hey. We're at the wedding now. You. Hey Tipa. This is the groomsman's little brother. Yeah, es sin con me pelea. Guys, he's only like what, 16. Calm down everyone. Sorry guys, cheers. Oh my gosh, that's some pretty good juice. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Let me show you real quick. Somewhere over there. The bridal party sits at the top over there. Oh, that's yeah, maybe. Guys, I've already tried an oyster, but I don't really like them. I want to see what these ones taste like. You can't even hear me. This is a good source of zinc, so I'm gonna floss it. Do you eat oysters? Okay guys, I don't know what possessed me to do that.
Now, next on the list, introducing the bride's parents, Mr. Tula Epa and Mrs. Timena Shamua.
Morning, guys. Welcome back. Last night we were super tired when we got in. Aussie conked out, obviously. I ended up spending like an hour or two with Bear. We just had a little enclosure for him the whole day, and he was pretty much home the whole day, so that wasn't really fair. So I wanted to, like, you know, play with him. So I did for about 2 hours, and then I wasn't even tired, but I forced myself to go to sleep because we had to check out soon. And so Aussie's just gone to take Bear to I can't with this. This was like a pimple that came because I used one of those Kmart masks, and but Ossie's gone to take Bear down. I'm about to go and wash my face and like brush my teeth and get ready. But Mum and Dad are in the other room. They've had such a blast. Every time they come with us, they have a blast because I'm the favorite daughter. I really am. I really am. My dad always says, oh, I'm gonna stay with the youngest. That's me. So we stayed here at Quest, Campbelltown. We're about to check out. I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 8-ish. We're gonna go and have breakfast somewhere, then stop off at the South Pacific store here in Lumia, and then head home because my parents are missing their grandkids. I had such an awesome night last night. Like, the vibes I was there for, honey. I was like jumping around everywhere. I think it was the adrenaline as well because we were seated right next to the speaker, so like the pumping of the music was like literally shaking my bones and I just couldn't handle it anymore. So I was like jumping about, dancing. And I just had such an awesome time. Like, my parents had such a great time. Thank you so much to my Uelese family for inviting us, for having us there, and congratulations to the newlyweds. I did not get to meet the bride. Every time I went to go take a photo with her, she was gone. I look like a hot mess, so I'm gonna go and get ready and then be about my way. I was trying to see if I can see Ossie and Bear from here because I told him to go and walk Bear because he has to like be in a carrier for the next 3-4 hours. So I wanted to like really tire him out so that he wouldn't be so agitated and bored. And they're coming back. I see my car is moving. And one more thing, guys, don't be offended if you didn't see your performance or anything like that. I usually try and film a lot when I go to events and stuff like that. I try and vlog it, but the problem is like the copyright situation. It's such a pain to edit. Like, I hate editing performances. I hate editing music out. It's like one of my biggest dreads in this whole YouTube thing. I hate editing copyrighted stuff out. It's just, oh, I can't even explain it, but that's the reason why I didn't get performances, just because I knew that I was going to get like a copyright claim anyway, so I didn't bother with